Wow, Lee Min-ho just made it official. Congratulations are pouring in. Lee Min-ho has just confirmed the news that fans have been eagerly waiting for, sending shockwaves through the entertainment industry. The globally renowned actor, loved by millions, has made it official, and the internet is now flooded with messages of congratulations and excitement. Speculation had been growing for weeks, with fans analyzing every clue from his social media activity, interviews, and recent public appearances. Now the mystery is over, and the truth is finally out. The big question remains: what exactly has Lee Min-ho made official? Is it a major career milestone, an international film deal, or something even more personal that will change his life forever? Many believe this could be an announcement about his relationship status, fueling rumors that have surrounded the actor for years. Others are convinced it could be related to a long-awaited project that will elevate his career to new heights. Whatever the case, fans cannot contain their excitement, flooding social media with congratulatory messages and expressions of joy. Industry insiders are now scrambling to uncover more details, as sources close to the actor remain tight-lipped about the specifics. With Lee Min-ho's massive global influence, this revelation is bound to have a lasting impact, and everyone is eager to know more. One thing is certain: this official confirmation marks a major turning point, and the anticipation is at an all-time high. Stay tuned, because whatever Lee Min-ho has just made official, it's guaranteed to be something unforgettable